Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Discover payment failed issue. If your payment or transfer fails, first check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it rules out network issues. If not possible, then make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly and your payments go in smoothly. Then verify that your payment method has sufficient funds and is valid. Ensure the Discover app is updated to the latest version. Head over to your app store, search for Discover Mobile, Banking and Finance. Then make sure to update your app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it to the latest version. Then restart the app and then try the transaction again. If it still fails, contact Discover support for assistance. Most payment errors are resolved quickly after verification. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.